Hi all, it's Arshad from Tech School of Motoring. Today we're going to talk about who has right of way if you were turning right into a side road. Okay, so as you know now your MSPSL routine, what we're going to do is we check our mirror. So rear view mirror, right mirror, signal to the right, position to the right, the left of the center line, slow down, look here. Okay, now when you're at this position, who has right of way? If there is a car coming from that side, they have right of way because you're turning in front of them. So you have to let pass this car before you're allowed to turn. Okay, when you're turning, you also need to look into this road that there are no pedestrians, cyclists, or scooter crossing. If that is the case, then they have right of way. So if you're turning into a side road on your right hand side, the oncoming traffic has right of way over you as this car, and anybody in that road, for example anybody crossing the road, has a right of way. If this car was turning left, they would have a right of way over you as well. So you have to let them turn first, then you're allowed to turn. Or if they're going straight, they have to go first, and then you can make your turn as normal. Okay, I hope that video has been informative for you, and I'll see you in the next one.